In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily get green check marks and red X symbols onto a Microsoft Word document. Adding check marks and X symbols to your document is a great way to highlight tasks, indicate correct or incorrect items, or make forms and lists more visually appealing. Microsoft Word provides several ways to insert these symbols, and I'll walk you through the simplest methods so you can quickly add them to your text. The first method is by using the symbol feature. Place your cursor where you want the symbol to appear. Then go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Symbol. From the drop-down menu, select More Symbols. A window will open showing a variety of symbols. To find check marks and X symbols, select the Wingdings or Sego UI symbol font from the font drop-down. Scroll through the symbols until you locate a green check mark or a red X, click on it, and then select Insert. The symbol will appear exactly where your cursor was placed. Another quick method is to use the built-in keyboard shortcuts. For example, some fonts like Wingdings or Webdings assign certain characters to display as check marks or X symbols. You can type a specific letter or character and then change the font of that character to Wingdings to display the desired symbol. This is a fast way to insert multiple symbols without opening the symbol menu each time. You can also use the Character Map tool built into Windows. Open the Character Map from your Start menu, choose a font like Wingdings or Sego UI symbol, and scroll to find the green checkmark or red X. Once you find the symbol, select it, click Copy, and then paste it into your Word document. This method is particularly useful if you need to insert the same symbol in multiple locations across different documents. After inserting the symbol, you can also adjust its size, color, and position to match the style of your document. Simply select the symbol and use the font size or text color options in the Home tab to make it larger, smaller, or colored appropriately. This ensures your check marks and X symbols stand out and fit neatly with the rest of your content. By using any of these methods, you can quickly add green check marks and red X symbols to your Microsoft Word document, making your lists, forms, or documents more visually organized and professional. And that's how you easily get green check marks and red X symbols in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.